Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. I am your English teacher of grade 3 from Darul Arqam School, Madinatul Hujaz campus, Golra More. Okay students, so today we are going to do parts of speech. Yes, this is very interesting. So let's start. Okay students, here is the chart. You can see person, place, animal, thing. And you can also see here are categories: person, place, animal, thing. Who is a person? Like you, me. We are persons. Girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Jones, like name of the person, like your names, my name. ठीक है. Next is place. Place like home, school, playground, zoo, park. These all are places. Next is animal. Dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard, cat, tiger. These all are animals. And the next is thing. In things, book, flower, shoe, pencil. You can also select some other things. Yes. Very good. Pen, board marker. These all are things like your school bag. Okay, you can see here are 4 categories: person, place, animal and thing. What comes in your mind? Also say this: people. People, Anita. Places, forest. Animals, elephant. Things, phone. People, like my name is Komal. And your name? Very good. In places, house, school. Think also about the places. Okay, next is animals. Elephant. Also think some other animals. Things. Phone. Think some other animal. Think some other things also. Okay, so what are these? People, places, animals, things. What are these? You can also see here, who is this? This is a person. And doctor. Doctor is a person. What is this? This is a school. So school is place. What is this? Tiger. This is tiger. Tiger. This is an animal. What is this? Watch. This is watch. Watch is a thing. So, person, place, animal, thing. What are these? These are nouns. These are nouns. A noun is a person, place, animal or thing. These all are nouns. A noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. Okay, see here. Noun, the first part of speech, noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. For example, doctor, tiger, pencil, school, Ali, Islamabad, cat, bag, etc. These all are examples of noun. So these all are nouns. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Read with me. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Very good. Okay, students. So, dear students, we have done noun. I hope you understood. Now we will do second part of speech. Okay. But before starting, we will observe some pictures. Let's see. Okay class, look at this picture. Look at this picture also. To right. Also think about this picture. Stand. She is standing. Look at this picture. What is she doing? Skipping. She is skipping. What is this? She is writing. She is doing her homework. What is she doing? She is painting. Paint. She is painting. What is this? He is sitting and reading. He is sitting and reading. What are these? Think about these pictures. Yes, these pictures shows actions. These pictures show action. She is standing. Standing is action. Right. Skipping. Writing. Painting. Sitting and reading. These all are action words. So, this part of speech is verb. These are verbs. You can see here are some verbs also. See here. Beg, replace, save, write. Here are so many verbs. You can see. These all are action words. These all are action words, and action words are called verbs. Now you can see again. He is sitting and reading. So sitting is action, reading is also action. Painting. Painting is action. So this is an example of verb. Writing or doing homework. Skipping. Writing. Standing. These all are actions. Okay? And action word is called verbs. Very good. Okay, let's see the definition of our second part of speech. Verb. Verb is a word which shows an action. Verb is a word which shows an action. Read with me. Verb is a word which shows an action. For example, walk, run, play, sit, stand, paint, jump, etc. Think about verbs also. Think about some other verbs also. Okay, class. So, dear students, we have done verb. I hope you understood. Now we will do third part of speech. But Before that, we will observe some pictures again. Okay, look at these pictures and think about it. Afraid, excited, thirsty, unhappy, thin, thick, strong, angry, happy, surprised, tired, tiny, ugly, worried. What are these? Who is excited? Man is excited. Who is afraid? Boy is afraid of dog. What is thick? Book is thick. And this book is thin. Unhappy, who is unhappy? A man is unhappy. You can see all the pictures. Strong. A man is strong. Angry. Who is angry? A man is angry. Happy. He is happy. Surprised. She is surprised. Thirsty. A baby is thirsty. Worried. He is worried. Ugly. A dog is ugly. Tiny. And tired. Okay? You can see here are some words. So who is the boy? What is the boy? Boy is noun. Dog is noun. Excited. Who is excited? Man. Man is noun. Who is thirsty? Baby. Baby is noun. Who is unhappy? Man. Man is noun. Thin. What is thin? Book. Book is noun. These all words are related to noun. What do you think? Think about it. Also look at this picture. This is a building. Is this building tall? Yes, this is a tall building. House. This is a small house. Tall building, small house. What comes in your mind? What are these? These are adjectives. These are adjectives. These are adjectives. What is adjective? A word that describes a noun. Adjective is a word that describes a noun. That describes a noun. Adjective is a word that describes a noun. You can see here, happy dog, tired boy. Happy is adjective, tired is adjective. Dog is a noun, boy is a noun. Dog is happy, so happy dog. Boy is tired, tired boy. Tall building, tall is adjective and building is noun. Small house, house is noun and small is adjective. You can see here, these all are adjectives. These all are adjectives. These all are describing a noun. Okay, class. Adjective definition. Adjective is a word which describes a noun. For example, tall building, small house. Beautiful girl, dirty shirt. Tall, small, beautiful, dirty. These all are adjectives. Tall building, tall is adjective and building is noun. Small, small is adjective, house is noun. Beautiful girl, beautiful is adjective, girl is noun. Dirty shirt, dirty is adjective, shirt is noun. So, these all are describing words. Adjective is a word which describes a noun. Okay, class, I hope you like today's word. All of you like parts of speech. We have done 3 parts of speech today: noun, verb, and adjective. Okay, students, so your task is you have to find out noun, verbs, and adjectives from unit number 1. Okay, you have to find out all the nouns, all the verbs, and all the adjectives from unit number 1, and then you have to write it in your notebook and then send it to me. I will check and give you remarks. Okay, class, thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.